Ends with Renly Bean, who's celebrating her first birthday with a beautiful bow. A happy birthday to Renly and Gerard.
The smile on her face is just adorable. Wow, pretty girl. Brooklyn Robinson, another pretty girl there, turning 6 years old in Thayer, Kansas. Happy birthday, Brooklyn.
Layla Sedgwick, she's big number 7 right there. And a happy birthday to Layla, who not only lives in Pryor, but Grandma sending her love, Layla, as well. Grandma's in Neosho.
All right, in Pittsburgh, Allie Wade, turning 12 years old this year. Hope you get some boat time here pretty soon. Happy birthday, Allie.
Out on the water. Absolutely love it there, Allie. Kennedy Mae Keller, got a 12th birthday. I like that shot right there. Kennedy Mae, I want you to have a marvelous day, kiddo. She's in McCune.
All right, in Arcadia, Kansas, turning 31, it's time to celebrate for Kimmy Skaggs. Happy birthday.
We've got a milestone in Russell, and that's where we find Crystal Johnson as she celebrates her 50th birthday. Have a great day, Crystal.
All right. We've got former resident of Deerfield, Missouri, Petty Officer, 2nd Class, Mark Hickman Jr., who's now 62 years old. Happy birthday, Mr. Hickman.
Happy birthday, Mark.
We thank you for your service.
Kathy Ulster. I'd love to know the background of this picture right here. Kathy's celebrating her 64th birthday. Yeah, Kathy, we want to know the backstory to that. That's great.
Love it.
Oh, she's in Carthage, by the way.
I feel like saying Aflac right now. But that would be a commercial.
That's a good one. I didn't think about that.
I just feel like it needs to be inserted somewhere.
That's good.
Aflac. Okay, Mary Kay Mason is 78 years old and looking great there, Mary Kay, in Girard.
Couple Crestline birthdays. We'll kick it off with Ann Palmer. Ann, a happy birthday to you. And Jason Ferris, he is also in Crestline celebrating a birthday. Now, I'm not sure how many years we credited Jeff and Andrea Scott, but I want to say that they're celebrating their 19th anniversary. So Jeff and Andrea, I apologize if I shortchanged you. Or maybe I was just looking down the road, and maybe I gave you more time. I don't know. But congratulations to the Scotts as they are celebrating or celebrated a birthday out in Fort Scott. How about that?
All right.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them in to birthdays@koamtv.com, or if you would like to use the website, koamnewsnow.com/birthdays. And now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And you know what? Once you do, you'll get special deals coming your way from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Temperature